Good job, Mitchell. That's a great reaction, bud.
I think our team's really a really strong team. We just don't know it. I never thought of that.
Guys, this is what I'm talking about. Mitchell, Hannah, Ethan are our defenders. Mitchell and Ethan got back. Hannah's getting caught too far forward. Good decision, Hannah. Good decision. You almost got that pass off. Good move. Good move, 7. Spread out, Blue.
He's a little aggressive. He was tugging on my
Oh, he's a good player. I think he gets frustrated when he can't get free. Not up the middle, Chris. Look for Braden. Look for Braden. He's open.
Contain.
That girl's a good defender, too.
Good job, Leon. Go, Sammy, quick.
Ethan.
Sammy.